guys, today this is a video of the ceiling fan collection here. So over here we have the Lady Delta, the Casablanca one. We have the Zephyr. It's a Casablanca fan. I think it's a Zephyr. Zephyr. We got this pink fan. Right there's the lights. There's the motor. We got this big thing. It's cool. Has like a lot of lights on it. I got this Hunter fan, flywheel fan. I'm not sure what type of fan it is. Something made by Casablanca, probably. We got this Springfield. Oh yeah, I destroyed one of those before. And I got this thing. It will not work, and I have no idea why. Yeah, it will not work. Don't know why it won't, but it won't. We got this thing. This thing's pretty cool looking. There we go. This one's very heavy, so it's set down. We got the Hunter Summer Breeze there. The U42s, I think that's what they are. The Emerson fan, plastic Emerson fan. Got that newer thing. Got these. They're cool. Here's all the fan blades for the fans. And we got that motor. It's like an older fan. Don't know what brand it is. You know what? I'll take the time to try. See what brand it is. Hold up here. I swore this had a sticker with the brand. Maybe it doesn't, but it's like something cool. Okay, let's go over here. Okay, these are the blades for that fan that didn't work. Let's go in here. Okay, we got this. We got another Hunter Summer Breeze here. And we got a cool box fan. It's a AMC, I think, brand. Okay, I have this piece of crap. Some outdoor type of fan. I'm just gonna destroy it. And I got a really cool fan in my bedroom. Go up there right now. I don't know if it's technically part of my collection, but it was in there until I put it up in my room. I also have a Mayfield that used to be in there, but it's like covered in a box. So I'll make a video later on that when I uncover it. So yeah, that's down there. Okay, there's a Princeton. That's pretty cool. I found that in the trash. Okay, here's my bedroom. Turn it off so you can see it. And it's a Laguna. I think it's SMC, not sure. Turn it on. And yeah, that's all the fans in the collection, so I guess I can record it. And I got another box, and I guess I can show you. Got this thing. Some of you might not agree with the sticker on there, but this is cool, the fan. And got that. Okay guys, I guess this is the end of that. See you later.